Good morning friends. In last lecture we study about simple harmonic motion, some basic definition related to simple harmonic motion, periodic time, frequency, wavelength, speed of sound wave, amplitude. Now today we discuss about the relation between velocity, wavelength and frequency. First question is relation between velocity, wavelength and frequency. We know the equation velocity is equal to distance upon time. So velocity is equal to distance traveled upon time. Therefore v equals to lambda upon t. Rearrange the equation. V is equal to lambda into 1 upon t. Here we put 1 upon t is equal to n. N is a frequency of vibrations. So the now equation become V is equal to lambda into n. Therefore V is equal to n lambda. This is the first question we have to write in our workbook. Now second, equation of progressive wave. The equation of progressive wave એટલે કે પ્રગામી wave નું equation. The equation of simple harmonic motion is equal to y is equal to a sin omega t. That's called number 1. Now we put the value of omega. Omega equals to 2 pi upon t in equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes y is equal to a sin 2 pi upon t into t. That's equation 2. Now this is the figure of simple harmonic motion. Consider a particle A. Figure is situated at a distance x from the origin. V is the velocity with which the wave advances. The particular a particle at A will start vibrating after x by v seconds after the particle of 0, it means origin, has started vibrating. Therefore, the displacement of the particle A is putting by t minus x by v for t in equation 2. એટલે કે પાર્ટિકલ A જે છે એ x upon v સેકન્ડ પછી 0 સ્ટાર્ટ થશે એ પછી વાઇબ્રેટ કરવાનું શરૂ થશે. So the equation is y is equal to a sin 2 pi t t x by v. We multiply capital T in bracket y is equal to a sin 2 pi t by t minus x upon vt. We have a v is equal to n lambda, therefore lambda upon t, therefore vt is equal to lambda. Now put the value of vt in equation. Y is equal to a sin 2 pi t upon t minus x upon lambda. This is called the equation of progressive wave. Now some problems based on v is equal to n lambda. First example, calculate the wavelength of sound wave of velocity 330 meter per second and frequency 10 vibration per second. So the solution is, velocity is given 330 per meter square, frequency is given n is equal to 10 vibration per second. We put the equation lambda is equal to v by n. Put the value of v, 330 divided by 10, therefore lambda is equal to 33 meter. Write down, understand. Now second example, if a wave having wavelength of 12 meter and frequency of 25 megahertz, then find out velocity of wave. Here wavelength is given and frequency is given. Frequency is in terms of megahertz. Now the solution is lambda is equal to 12 meter, frequency n also 25 megahertz, therefore 25 into 10 raised to 6 megahertz. Okay, megahertz in converted into 10 raised to 6, mega is equal to 10 6. Now put the equation v is equal to n lambda. Value of n is 25 into 10 raised to 6, lambda equals to 12. Therefore multiplication is 300 into 10 raised to 6. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second is the answer of the sum. Write down. Okay, write down, understand. Now third sum, if velocity of sound wave is 3400 meter per second and wavelength is 17 centimeter, then find out frequency of sound wave. Here velocity is given, wavelength is also given in terms of 17 centimeter. Convert 17 centimeter into meter. Solution is lambda is equal to 17 centimeter converted divided by 100, so is converted 0.17 meter. V is equal to 3400 meter per second. Find n, put the equation n is equal to v upon lambda. Put the value v 3400 divided by 0.17. Answer is 20,000 hertz. Write down. understand? Now try it yourself. 3 example. Write in workbook. Now calculate these 3 sum. Now we discuss first one. Find out the velocity of a radio wave whose wavelength is 1200 centimeter and frequency is 25 into 10 raised to 3 kilohertz. It means wavelength lambda is equal to 1200 centimeter is given, frequency n is equal to 25 into 10 raised to 3 kilohertz is given. Find V. You can calculate yourself. Second, now what is the answer of first? The answer of first one is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Second, find the velocity of the wave traveling with a frequency of 450 megahertz having wavelength of 5 centimeter. This is asked in GTU exam December 2014. This statement, wavelength is equal to 5 centimeter. We converted 5 centimeter into meter. Frequency n is equal to 450 megahertz. So 450 into 10 raised to 6 hertz. Write down, calculate. Okay, calculate. So the answer V is equal to 2.25 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Third one, a wave with frequency 512 hertz यानी कि 512 hertz travels with velocity of 330 meter per second in dry air. Determine the wavelength at wave in the medium. If the same wave travels in water with the velocity 1500 meter per second, what will happen? So the necessary calculation. This example is asked in GTU 2012 June. Here two medium, dry air and water. So we calculate first in a medium of dry air, velocity 330 meter per second, frequency 512, find wavelength lambda. Similarly, calculate in a medium of water. Okay, next time we study about waves. Okay, you have to write these three example in our workbook with statement. Now one more example. A human ear can hear frequencies between 20 Hz and 2.0 into 10 raised to 4 Hz. What wavelengths correspond to these two frequencies if the speed of sound is 330 meter per second? Solution: here there are two frequencies given, 20 Hz first and second, 2.0 into 10 raised to 4. First case frequency is 20 Hz, second case frequency is 2.0 into 10 raised to 4 Hz. Speed of sound is same, 330 per meter per second. Solution: V is equal to 330 meter per second. Now in first case frequency is 20 Hz. In first case V is equal to 20 Hz. Now put the equation of lambda. Lambda is equal to V upon N. Put the value of V, 330 divided by 20. Therefore the answer is 16.5 meter. Sometimes asked find the answer in centimeter, so multiply with 100. In second case frequency is 2.0 into 10 raised to 4. Velocity is already 330 per meter per second. Now the equation lambda is equal to V upon N. Value of V is equal to 330 upon 2.0 into 10 raised to 4. Therefore the answer is 0.0165 meter. If the answer is found in centimeter, multiply with 100. It means 1.65 centimeter. It is the wavelength of our human ear capacity. Now second, one another example asked in GTU. If velocity of sound is 340 meter per second and its wavelength is 0.5 meter, then find out frequency of sound. In this example, velocity of sound, it means V is given 340 meter per second. Wavelength is given, therefore lambda is equal to 0.5 meter. Find out the frequency, so N is calculated. Solution: first, lambda is equal to 0.5 meter. Velocity V is equal to 340 meter per second. Put the equation. Now what is the equation of N? N is equal to V by lambda. Now put the value of V. The value of V is equal to 340 meter per second and lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is a wavelength, 0.5 meter. Value 340 divided by 0.5. Now calculate. You use simple calculator in the exam. 340 divided by 0.5. Now what the answer? Okay, right, the answer is 680 Hertz. Hertz is the unit of frequency. Okay, next time we will study about waves. Okay.